Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today is the day y'all find out what I did, what I used these cards that I made for. Well, y'all know I've been playing a prompt game with Mrs. Gigi on her channel and on mine. And I wanted to make some cards that would fit in here so it'll be easier for me to store somewhere and I have the name of what's in here, already on it. These are my old cards. These are a little bit smaller and I can fit 2 rows of cards in that container. So what I did is I took the old cards and I typed out all the words to on my computer. So what I'm going to do now is just go through the words. See, like, I want to put words that are similar together, like black and orange, that's 2 colors. Um, I'll get red or something, or I'll put a color pen and on the back I'll put red, or, you know, I'll put bubble wrap in circles, or, you know, whatever. So, um, let's get this show on the road and get this. Let me show y'all how I do it. So let's dirt to it. Now my scissors are missing. So I'll pull these out. I have to degunk them. So I'm going to trim out or cut out black and orange. Like so. And then I'm going to trim out all the excess white off. And there you go. Now, my next step is to how I'm going to get them to stick on there. Well, I want to make sure I can reuse the cards instead of, um, you know, making new ones all the time. So what I'm going to do is take a piece of Scotch tape and just pull it right over the word and smooth it out. That way, whatever you want to change it, all you have to do is just peel off the Scotch tape. Okay, so we're going to do the back. This one's not right. Let me trim a little more off. And there. Now we have this one. The other cards I had going the long way. And these are going, I had the other was portraits. These are landscapes, so I can fit more on it. So let's do one more card together. And I want to do, let's do paperclip or charms. So I can cut all these out together. And then what I'm going to do is trim the excess white off. Like so. And then just trim it close enough to where I can fit it on the back of the, on the back and front of the card. So, and the printable you see on here is from Tsunami Rose. So I'm going to do paper clip here. And this is too long. So I'm going to just take my scissors and trim a little. Try not to handle the tape too much because you don't want the oils on your fingers to get on the tape. So here's this one. And I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to put the word charms on the back. So, and I have another piece of tape here already cut. Whoops. Let's see if I can peel that off without ripping the word. Nope, it won't happen. So that's just that. It sticks on just fine for me, okay? So we went from this to these. Ta-da! That's how you do it. That's what I'm doing with the playing cards and scrapbook paper. So I will say this, please be blessed, be kind, be loving, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.